Gentlemen, today we're showing you 7 simple ways to make a woman chase you. If you want to make a girl chase you, you have to show her you're worth the chase. If you show her you're the attractive, high-value man that all women want, then you have the beginnings of impressing her and capturing her interest. There are certain things you can do to stand out from other guys and make yourself more desirable to her. So here are 7 simple ways to make her chase you. 1. Make a unique first impression. First impressions are important and powerful. A woman will always remember the first time she met you. That's why you have to do everything you can to make a unique first impression. If you want her to chase you, you have to make not just a good first impression, but one that's unique. The chances are that many people have tried flirting with her or offering compliments to her. So try something special that will make you stand out from the crowd and make her remember you. Present yourself in a way that you become irresistible to women. Try not to be fidgety and awkward. Be confident and prepare something to say before you approach her. Start talking and ask questions to show interest. That will make her curious to know more, and you will know enough to steer the conversation. 2. Be mysterious. This is one of the most important things you should know if you want to make a woman chase you. Being mysterious with a girl you like can make you irresistible to her. Make yourself some sort of a mystery, someone who isn't easily figured out. This will pique her curiosity and keep her wanting to know more. Don't say much about yourself on the first date. Let her investigate what she would like to know about you. It's also a way to see whether she's interested enough in you to find out some things about you by herself. Keep the mystery flowing, so she'll never know what to expect from you. The last thing a girl wants is to know what to expect from a guy because it bores her. If you revealed all your cards, there will be no more surprises to uncover. And if you want to make a girl chase you, you have to keep an element of surprise because it's the way to keep her interest alive. Don't be an open book. Build some suspense and create some mystery. That way you will create an attraction so strong that she can't resist chasing you. 3. Use your body language to seduce her. You can use body language to build attraction with women. If you want to get a girl to chase you, using appropriate body language is probably the easiest way to do it. It's effortless. You just need to know some tricks. First of all, eye contact. Make eye contact with her every time you speak with her. That way you'll show her that you are interested in her. And if she is also looking you directly in the eyes, it shows she likes you too. And smile while you're talking to her. It will make you look more relaxed, pleasant, and friendly. 4. Get busy with your life. To make girls chase you, you must first maintain a distance. And the best way to do this is to get busy with your life. Don't hang out with her all the time. Let her breathe. Let her know that you have other things in your life besides her. If you start treating her as if she is the only person in the world, she might start thinking that you are desperate. You have to show her that you are a high-value man who thinks about his future and how to improve it. Show her you want to make the most of your life. Focus on your work and goals and keep living your life as usual and hang out with your friends as usual. You must show her that you have your own life, your own social circle, and that she will have to make an effort to become a part of it. If she sees you as an ambitious person, she will find you irresistible. 5. Learn to say no. If you start saying yes to everything she says and suggests, she'll think that you don't have character and she'll take it that you are a people pleaser, and that's a huge turn-off for every girl. Women don't like pushovers, men who can't express their own thoughts and don't have their own opinions about certain things. If you don't like something she suggests or if you're not okay with it, just say that you disagree with her. If you really want women to chase you, you're going to have to do what a lot of guys won't. Because girls are used to having guys please them, agreeing with everything she says, and will never say no to anything in order to please her. So if you disagree with her and show her that you have your own thoughts, you will stand out from other guys, and you will come across as a powerful guy who is not afraid to say no, which will make her crave for you more. If you want to see her chase you, don't be afraid to disagree with her. 6. Don't text back right away. You need to know that waiting to text someone back is a tactical game, and you have to win it to make a girl chase you. If you reply to her messages immediately, it'll make you desperate. And desperation is the sign of someone that no one else is interested in. You don't want her to think you've been waiting for her text all day long. So make her wait a bit and wonder where you are and what is it that you're busy doing that you can't even reply to her text. This will pique her interest and increase your attractiveness. Show her that you are a busy man and don't have time to chat with her all day long. It'll also mean that you are a serious and mature man. Give her the element of desire by not texting back right away. But don't make the mistake of being arrogant and not responding to her for days on end. This will make her lose interest. You are not trying to push her away, so appropriately time your reply to her texts to keep her interested. It's the best way to make her chase you through text messages. 7. Be a good listener. People are immediately attracted to good listeners. Someone they can talk with and confide in. Be that person for her without making the conversations about you. This will motivate her to want to talk to you and get to know you better. And if she does reach out to you, make sure to give her your full attention. Because if she's spending time with you, and you're not paying attention, you'll come across that you're not interested, and indirectly pushing her away. The idea is to make the time she spends with you fun and enjoyable. You can only get her attention by giving her your attention. You must listen to what she's talking about and pay attention to her when you are talking to her in person. You want to be present with her and actively listen. And by being present with her, you'll get to know more about her. Thanks for watching Love Hive, and be sure to subscribe for more.